Hi, welcome to 2-Minute Writing Tips. I'm Kirsten, and today we're going to talk about a literary device called synesthesia, which is the act of describing one sense in terms of another. For instance, you might describe a lively piece of music as sounding like bright colors, or you may say that a piece of chocolate tastes like silk. Interestingly, synesthesia is not only a rhetorical tool, it's an actual condition that some people have, where stimulation of one sense results in experiences in another sense. My own husband has made a career of building sound systems, and he describes the experience of being able to see sound. There does seem to be a link between synesthesia in people and synesthesia in literature. People who live with these experiences are the ones who tend to use it more in their writing. So its use in stories is quite rare, and it does stand out. This is a benefit in the sense that it makes the writing memorable, and it challenges readers to think in unconventional ways. The best part is that when synesthesia is executed well in writing, it makes perfect sense. If you tell me that someone's voice sounds as smooth as chocolate, I can imagine exactly what that person sounds like. If you tell me that something sounds like barbed wire, I can picture that too. Not only can I picture it, I can actually get a better sense of what those sounds are like than if they were described in auditory terms. So if you're somebody who doesn't have the lived experience of synesthesia, how do you incorporate it in your writing? It helps to think of the senses as being connected with each other. We already know this to be true of smell and taste. Now try to expand it to your other senses. When you hear a striking sound, think of how you would describe that in the other senses. What would the sound look like? What color would it be? Would it be soft to the touch? Would it be cold like steel or cold like ice? Practice thinking outside the box when it comes to your own sensory experiences, and you may find yourself with some great material for your writing. That's it for today. I'll see you tomorrow.